Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about one of the most recognizable sounds in the world, the police siren. What does it sound like? Why does it sound that way? And what interesting facts are hidden behind it? Let's find out. A police siren is loud, sharp, and impossible to ignore. Instead of staying at one pitch, the sound goes up and down, creating that famous wailing effect. Something like wee-woo, wee-woo, wee-woo. This rising and falling tone makes it much easier for our brains to pick up the sound, even in heavy traffic or noisy city streets. There are different types of siren tones. Wail. A slow, rising and falling sound, the classic police siren we all know. Yelp. A faster, urgent version, often used in traffic or at intersections. High-low. Alternating high and low tones, which you might hear in some European countries. Here are a few fun facts about police sirens. Sirens are deliberately designed to be annoying, because that's what makes people notice them quickly. They're not just random sounds. Research shows that our brains react more strongly to changing tones than to a constant noise. Police cars, ambulances, and fire trucks can often switch between different siren modes at the press of a button, depending on the situation. And finally, each country has its own version of the siren, so if you travel abroad, the police might sound very different. So, next time you hear that unmistakable wee-woo in the distance, you'll know a little more about why it sounds the way it does. Now, let's listen to a real police siren in action.